Hey kids! Have you ever noticed that some children seem to have a magical power that lets them make friends effortlessly, while others find it a bit challenging? Today, I'm here to reveal the secret behind it: social ability. In fact, social ability is like a magic key that opens the door to friendship, helping everyone learn and play happily together. Would you like to know how to use this magic key?
Ms. Sherry, what exactly is social ability?
Great question, Jake. Social ability is like a superpower we use when we interact with others. Simply put, it means using warm, friendly words when talking to people, understanding our own feelings and those of others, putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, knowing the right way to act in different situations. For example, imagine this: Alex sees a new kid on the playground, and with a smile, he walks over and says, "Hi, I'm Alex, would you like to play with me?" That's social ability in action. Have you ever tried greeting someone on your own? How did it feel?
Then, Miss Sherry, why is social ability so important?
Well, that's an excellent question. With strong social skills, you can make more friends at school, and learning and playing together becomes so much more fun. Just think about it: if you didn't know how to work with your teammates in a game, winning would be much harder. Social ability acts like the glue that holds a team together. Plus, these skills aren't just useful at school. When you grow up, they'll help you work smoothly with your colleagues on amazing projects. Just like superheroes need their powers, we need social skills to make our lives brighter.
So, how do we practice and develop our social skills?
Alright, let me share some cool tips you can try. Join activities. Sign up for an art class, soccer team, or any club that interests you so you can have fun with kids who share your hobbies. Be friendly. Every time you see a classmate, flash a big smile and say, "Hi." You might just make a new friend. Share the joy. For instance, you could bring your favorite toy or a snack and say, "This cookie is really yummy, would you like to try some?" Sharing always makes people happy. Practice at home. You can even play a make-a-friend game with your parents, pretending you're meeting new friends at the park and practicing greetings and sharing. Parents, you can also help by taking your kids to the park or even the grocery store to practice saying thank you to others. Soon enough, you'll see your little ones become real social superstars.
But Miss Sherry, sometimes I feel a bit awkward making friends, like when I accidentally say the wrong thing or knock something over.
That's completely normal, Lisa. Everyone feels awkward sometimes. Here are a few little tricks you can try when that happens. Take a deep breath. When you feel nervous, try counting to 3 in your head and take a deep, calming breath. Use humor. If something silly happens, smile and say, "Oops, I guess I'm a bit clumsy today." That usually helps everyone feel better. Change the topic. For example, if you accidentally knock over a cup, you could say, "I'm sorry, let me help clean that up," and then ask, "By the way, your puppy is so cute, what's its name?" This way, the awkward moment passes quickly. Remember, each one of you has your own unique charm. Be brave and keep trying. Every time you practice, you'll get even better. And parents, you can join in at home by playing pretend games of meeting new friends or taking your kids to the park, so they can build up their confidence in making friends. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. Did you learn something new? Next time, don't forget to share your fun friendship stories with me.